If you don't have a cover stitch machine, sewing with a twin needle can give you a similar effect for a professional finish. Hi, my name is Danielle Amato, and in this video I'll be giving you some tips and tricks on how to use the twin needle function on the Skyline S7. A lot of computerized Janome machines come with the twin needle feature. This setting prevents you from selecting a stitch length that's too wide, which can lead to needle breakage. Time to prep your fabric. Fold under the seam allowances for your hem. Pin and press. Because you have to sew with the right side of the fabric facing up, you will not be able to see the folded edge. Pressing the hem will help the fabric from shifting while sewing. Insert the extra spool pin in the hole under the top cover. Draw both spools of thread through the threading points 1 through 4. With the first thread, pass through the needle bar thread guide in the left position and thread the eye of the left needle. With your second thread, pass through the needle bar thread guide in the right position and thread the eye of the right needle. Use zigzag foot A for this technique. The Janome zigzag foot has a wide space for both needles to pass through. Press the twin needle key at the top of the screen and begin sewing. Thanks for watching!